Hi, my name is Belena Roscoe. Today's date is November 25th, 2018, and today I'll be discussing the lymphatic system. So I'll be pointing out the lymphatic organs on my model here. First, I will point out the thymus, which runs right underneath the neck, right here, right underneath the clavicle. Next will be the tonsils, which are right over here. And I still have my tonsils, so I know when mine are infected because they get enlarged and I can see them. Next will be the spleen, and the spleen is right over here, right underneath the rib cage where the stomach is attaches to. Next is the Peyer's patches, which are in the small intestines, right over here. And then you have your appendix, which are right here in the right lower quadrant of the abdomen. Here we have the cervical lymph nodes that run along the side of the neck, and then the axillary lymph nodes right here on the armpit. Thank you. Now, the lymphatic system, how it flows through the body. The heart will pump its blood, and the blood flows freely through the capillary walls. But our blood pressure, it will constrict the capillary walls, so the fluid inside escapes or leaks out. Now, some of it does return back in, but some of it doesn't. And that's where the lymphatic system comes to play. So when the excess fluid is known as interstitial fluid, and it's also known as lymph once the fluid enters the lymphatic system. So it'll run through the lymphatic vessels known as lymphatics. Now, when those vessels become larger and larger, they become lymphatic trunks, and they are connected by a vein at the back of the neck. Now, the lymphatic trunks will be divided into two. We have the right trunk, which will be the right lymphatic duct, and it's responsible to drain the right side of the body, right side of the head, the upper extremity, the thorax, into the right subclavian vein. And the left side will be the thoracic duct, and it drains the left side of the body and any remaining portions into the left subclavian vein. Now, this is all done through our movement of the body, because with the cardiovascular system, the heart is responsible and pumps blood and how it gets its movement. But with the lymphatic system, it's based off of our body movements, our skeletal movements, contractions, and our breathing. And this is all done with the lymphatic system, removing the excess fluid, emptying out, and returning it back into the bloodstream through vessels, ducts, and trunks. So it goes back into the subclavian vein, either the right or the left, and the lymph returns back into the bloodstream. So that concludes my lymphatic system topic of the day. Thank you.